Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is the integer x that satisfies the equation x to the power 5 minus 101 x cube minus 999 x square plus 100,900 equals to 0 is. We have given x to the power 5 minus 101 x cube minus 999 x square plus 900 equals to 0. Now we can write this 100,900 as 100,899 plus 1 equals to 0. So this x to the power 5, 101 x cube minus 999. If we take 999 common, so there will be x square minus 101 plus 1 as it is equals to 0. Take x cube common from this, so there will be x square minus 101. This minus 999 into x square minus 101 plus 1 equals to 0. So x square minus 101, if we take common, so there will be x cube minus 999 plus 1 as it is equals to 0. Now here the only integer that satisfies this equation, suppose this is equation number 1, satisfies equation number 1 is 10, because here we can observe if x square minus 101 plus 1 equals to 0, then there will be x square equals to 101 minus 1, that is x square equals to 100. So x will be plus or minus 10. Hence value of x, if we consider positive value of x, so the value of x will be 10. Hence value of x is 10.